couple of bitches just wanna gob him, but I don't want that toppy if it ain't sloppy, baby. If you're gonna neck it, then make.
And I just turned 22, but my money says different. I just checked the scores, I'm definitely winning. I'm definitely whipping my.
Still pulling up on smoke. Skeng in my pocket, can't see the bulge in my coat. Like holding me.
10 times better than Shaflika and Erin Medina. She loves a bit of sex, bit of reefer, a bit of GTA, a bit of FIFA. That's the
Man, don't talk my rap. Run up in the trap like boss with the money there, fooled up and young. Yeah, they're quiet.
You want a lot, yeah, we smoking on your homies. Codeine in my veins, I can feel it flowing. Why these niggas sitting here, but they steady folding.
Man stepped in the dance, what's good? She telling me why you look awkward, I told her I don't really like the shubs. You know that I'm more of a crook. My nigga said he wants some flakes.
Heard the niggas they onto me, oh please. They don't want to see me get active, got my Rambo blade on me. How many times have we made them scream out?
You ain't no rider, you ain't never stepped that blood all on your attire. Free all my guys up, yeah they call ups getting high so they sent them higher. Bando fire.
Active gang, anything goes. Running it up, ain't got time for hoes. ZK's handings, rusty pose. That you scream RP when you left your bro. I was looking
For my niggas in the ends, I know that they feel the way that I do. The Jakes took half our friends, even now there's an army of goons. My niggas been causing terror, the whole gang's all lost this.
I'ma go all in, no I ain't stalling. Keys, them keys, I'm calling. I'ma keep balling, bodies keep falling.
How Pete, intake green on the beat. I see this IC3's gonna ACG. Big shank on me for OPP or double tap slap tryna pack your G. Pull up.
Where's the keys to the dinger? Where's the bills for the spinner? I need more peas, I don't need dinner. Bet this heat and squeeze for Skinner. Or do it for drama with the drama. That nigga's too charged up.
Tell her it's real, and this life I live ain't promising. I ain't got a plan to stop it. Still putting smoking brands, still trying to score on these guys. I'm living my life, and for now I'm fine. They talk about wetting, see me and leg it. I got beat every day. I wake up, pray. I put in so much work, now I'm trying to fight this case. Free my friends, gonna fence to my G's away. Got beef for the gang, get round for the disrespect. Who's talking what? Anywhere goes, they know I ain't into this talking stuff. We call these bluff. Fuck with the G's, I'll squeeze, won't stop till this corner's done.
They run when they hear that the ting goes bang. Bang. Do my ones, I'll do a gang. Jump up cars or jump up. All eyes on them, all eyes on them. They're not TVC, so we circle again. Caramel won't come bring your friend. No pain, you want you the baddest of them. Chocolate darling, I beg you pardon, hit me up.
TPL, Harringay Borough. Bro got beef down there, 100. All blacked out, tryna bring back summer. No Olympics, but I run like Farah.
I'm trying to put him in a body box. I buy hand things and I'm a dirty shot. I'm with my bitch, we're taking shots up in Novikov. And fuck them, I don't know them, they ain't 100. In my German car, drop a big pack on my young gunner. You ain't real like that, you ain't real like that. To tell the truth, you ain't built like that. Picture this, little Fred out there really hitting licks. By 15 he's locked in jail but no one didn't visit him. It's cool though, cause most of his friends were still in school.
My favourite nitty's always coming short. The one I hate scores the most. My shorty talks the most, never sticking to a word. If you've ever said you're smoking on a
My nigga picture it, my whole wrist is lit. Used to take them pissy lifts, was sleeping in my nigga's crib. Still putting packs up in the microwaves, customizing. It's big raps, bad beats, phones and yeah. If the good die young, then I'll be old and grey. They want advice, tell me really what I'm supposed to say.
2 hands in the air, no bread, he's still gonna run that dinner. What them man got ain't big, my side of the 6, guns that's bigger.
Our block ain't vacant when it's more than 50 look. I'm on the back road dodging these cops and I'm on my Jack Jones. I don't wanna get stopped, this car like the boy love cap like snapback. Brown hair, some pairs like black.
Anytime that I step in a ride with Fury, ain't nothing but adrenaline. When it get dark outside, I'm on anything. G-check that fork and night with melanin.
Don't lack in traffic like for or you can get shot on your block like that. These guys get way too lucky, somehow they're always escaping death. And when gang pulled up in BG, let's run off and he left his friends. God, we don't talk.
Got caught in the rain and we left them so ironic. Cause the fat boy swam no boat. When my gang enters, violence unfold. This hunting ain't old, the grand power blows. Trip up, that's a critical incident. I wanna see blood clots like Jamaicans. Broski was a superstar of his hunting. Jump out, left man planking. When I put out, had them man skanking. 3K kid that's missed no ramping. Us man are steppers, them man are not. They're not. Cause we glide on ops. Roll up, tryna turn man into pot. Or I send a young G's leave red on them block. Man's acted.
We glide out differently. They can't do it like we. I'll do it for broke, I do it for me. Trust me. Honorably, wave it, we or aim and beat it. And do it so elegantly. We just turn man THC, I don't wanna hear nothing about A&E.